Ew.
Hey,
Let's look at the agenda doc. Just share my screen. Okay. Alright. Today's May 15. Okay. Don't have an agenda from my side. Been just way too busy with internal work. So couldn't really do much on the open source side of things. Um, but if you guys have any questions, or concerns, I definitely willing to discuss. Yeah. You guys have anything that you want to talk about?
Uh, is it me?
Hello?
Traveling actually on car. Give me 5 minutes. I can talk. Actually, I have a PR created.
Okay,
I want to talk about it.
sure.
5 minutes.
Hey, Rishab. I'm just looking at your PR here.
Uh,
Um,
Hi, Mangu. How are you?
good, good. Thanks for the PRs and everything. And yeah, sorry. Just couldn't really review this week.
No
Um,
worries.
yeah, but I was looking at this one. I think uh yeah, the resource quota removal, I think did you fix this or
Yeah, I already fixed it.
oh you fixed it? Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I think that
Yeah.
was really the only thing that worried me. I think there was a code path in the webhook itself that actually
Yeah.
calls the list. Let's see. And then none on dry run and none. Let's see. So this is for mutating webhook. So should be okay, right?
Yeah, it is okay.
Yeah, because
We
you.
discussed this in one of the PR which Vedant raised, and there also. I think I might have linked the other PR also. Mm, Wait a second. Yes, in this PR there was a
This
comment I
guy.
made. Yes, there was a comment that I made. I remember.
So, way to show this without. Um,
I think you'll have to open up the resolved ones, like just
yeah.
broaden. Yeah, that's- yes, this one, the final comment. Yeah, looks good to me. Just a final.
I I think that's right.
And
Yeah, because non on dry run.
just click on
Uh,
the comment section, the 2915 comment. There's a link. Link. Yeah, this one.
I see. Yeah, no, I think that looks good to me.
Mm.
Um, I think that was the only thing that I saw the issue with. Everything else looked good. These are defaults value from the Helm template, right?
Yes, yes,
Google. And I saw your another PR. I think you're trying to bring the um drift detection.
yes.
Let's see.
It is PR2933.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think also this failing is just expected.
Yeah, yeah, this is so this will fail. This was failing because it had some drift. It detected some drift. That's why I opened up PR,
Oh, I
the
see.
one
Yeah, that
below
makes
it.
sense.
Yeah. So once that PR will get merged, this will automatically get resolved.
Yeah. You might have to rebase, but yeah, I think that
Yes, yes.
should yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense. Oh yeah, you can see it QPS and everything.
Mm.
Non-dry. So, yeah, cool. Yeah, thanks so much for the PRs. It's definitely useful.
Yeah. Once these two PR get merged, I think we are ready to say that
It's
customize
priority.
is in like proper alignment with Helm.
Yeah. Do we have to release a point release afterwards?
Yeah. Sorry, what?
Do we have to create a point release? As in, just, you know, uh, so we have what,
I
2.5 right now, but we could release like a 2.51. That
Yeah,
way
that
people
technically,
that
can,
would that would be really great if we could do that.
yeah. Let's set
I
up that way people.
I think on
Go
our
ahead.
side there was at least one other bug that we caught with Spark Connects, missing a finalizer in the RBAC that we'll probably want to get in there as
Okay.
well.
That's again, that's for the customized side of things.
Yes, on the customized side of things.
Okay. Yeah, let me know when you think it's ready for the point release, and we can just make that happen.
Yeah, yeah. We'll let you know. I mean, as long once this goes in, it'll definitely be within a week. It's not something that we want to let sit around for too long.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, as for adding a another approver or maintainer for this repository, are you guys still interested?
Yes, we are. Can we get back to you on that by next meeting? We haven't had any talks internally about that yet. But I mean
Okay.
it's definitely something that we're interested in.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer and get this uh get this happen. All right. I think someone had a question. What you wanted to talk about? 5 minutes or so. So did I hear that right? Who was that? Can't see the members.
I think there is
Is it?
Venkatesh. He should be there in 2 minutes. He's actually on call. Just give him a minute or
Oh,
two.
he is. Okay, cool. All right. So I can just approve this guy. Mm,
Hi, Mandu.
hey, it's an echo.
Yeah, sorry. I created a PR for adding a metric for submission latency.
I see. I think I see that here. I haven't gotten to this yet.
Yep.
Let's see. Oh, I see. So you're just adding the bucket for the submit latency. That's slightly different from what we have now.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, submit latency is generally it would be quicker than start latency. We have start latency metric.
Mm-hmm.
Generally, that accumulates Kubernetes scheduler delays,
Yeah,
capacity, resource capacities, and all. So we were inside Salesforce. We need to measure the real SLA, that how operator is doing, instead of
I see.
depending on cluster level resources.
I see.
So
Yeah,
inside our fork, we have this metric, and we are using it for SLA analysis. So I created the same metric here.
yeah. No, that's super useful. Yeah, because like you said, right, start rate latency would include the underlying infrastructure,
Yeah,
which is not really part of the operator itself. I mean, it is still a useful metrics, but from the operator side of things, and when you're measuring the performance of the operator, yeah, the summit latency actually makes a lot of sense.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
So
that's super nice.
yep.
Cool.
So
Yeah.
this is sorry. This is very much similar to start latency, exactly the same, but we are capturing when we are about to mark, when we are marking it as submitted. That's it.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much. I will take a look.
Yep.
Hopefully I can get back to you by today.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
There was another one that someone on our team submitted, 2931. It's a very small thing.
293. Oh, did I not approve that? Oh, I did. Yeah, this should be good to go. I have to bug someone to actually merge it for me. But yeah,
Okay.
this looks good to me. Yeah, it's a super small fix, and yeah, this should have been caught. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Anything else you guys want to talk about before we call it?
I have one.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead, Venkat.
Sorry, yeah. We also working on a kind of submitter surveys. I think I talked about it last time, and Vincent also, I think, must be talking earlier. So that's a Scala service, not a Go code.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm kind of about to make some PR maybe next time when we meet. So I'll be having that PR. So the
Okay.
question is,
Are you going to be? Oh, sorry. Go
yeah,
ahead.
I'm working on it. I'll create soon. The question what I have is, it's a Go core, right? Do you want me to merge or a separate directory inside the same operator, or do you want me to create a new GitHub Git repository inside the same Kubeflow? So
So,
I'm thinking for perspectives.
what is important, at least for me, is the interface on how this is going to work. So,
Mhm.
I'm guessing you have like a REST API or something that you can use to
Yep.
send a request, right? I see. So, yeah, I think first we have to look at that interface, and I don't think it's gonna be that complicated because all you're really doing is sending out the, you know, um, the Spark information and then just asking it to submit, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, I think so. That's if you're going to make a PR like that, then yeah, let's do that interface first.
Mhm.
And as for the Scala code, I'm not sure if I actually want that in this repository, because that would be the way I'm thinking is that by default we use the Spark submit. That one comes with the Spark containers, right?
Yep.
And I think by default we probably should use that to submit, meaning that we can decouple the two if people want it. But if you decouple it by default, it should just use um, you know the uh, the Spark
Submit.
submit using the Go wrapper somehow. Just
Yep.
have it Go HTTP endpoint and then just expose that as a deployment or set or whatever you have.
Yep.
Uh,
Hope
yeah,
that-
that there was some work I was gonna do a while back to make the reconciler loop configurable.
Mhm.
So just make that whole thing a parameter. Right now, we just have it as an if-def like a case statement. So if you turn this on, then it goes down this path. But
I see.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
it's a flat.
yeah. That makes sense to me. Yeah, I'm definitely excited for that feature actually.
Yeah,
Some of the customers I work with, they're hitting the API limits, not the API limits, but um,
resource limits.
the resource limits, because they're definitely single process or cores. There's just so much you can do, right? So yeah, definitely interested.
Sure, we can talk more next time.
Yeah.
so Venkat, you can for the Scala stuff, you can create a repository in like your personal organization, and
Mhm.
then later on, if this is all accepted and everything, that can get
Yep.
moved to the Kubeflow one.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you everyone for joining, and hopefully I'm working on something really cool right now. So just for internal things, but hopefully I can share that with you guys next time.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you.
the other thing that I was going to contribute is pod disruption support, so that
Okay,
uh, the drivers are prevented from being evacuated while like a node drain is happening.
I see. So you want to create PDB by using the operator?
Yeah, uh, the operator has to have an endpoint anyways to um, for like any drain actions and
Mm-hmm.
for disruption budget. So but you still have to create a pod disruption budget resource. So this just manages the life cycle of the PDB.
I see. instead of like trying to do that outside of the operator, just have the operator create all that object for you because you have to have driver running anyways, right?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
the pod the actual like resource is something that everything knows about or something like that. Basically, it just has to exist. I forgot the exact specifics off the top of my head, but you can't just sort of handle the endpoint in the operator. You have to actually go through and make a PDB and stuff like that. But
Okay,
it's possible to have it like garbage in a garbage collected fashion. So
I see.
this will just create a PDB that uh, has a like a min available of one or something like that.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
sorry, that's what it's doing right now.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. On my side, I've been just using the Carpenter and just adding the do not disrupt against the on-demand instances, and that seems to work. But PDB is probably more Kubernetes way of doing things. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me.
We do also have like the people running Carpenter, but the team that maintains all of that infrastructure has they've expressed this they've expressed a disinterest in people using the do not disrupt stuff. So
Yeah, yeah. Mm. But for drivers, it's kind of needed though, right? Because you really cannot disrupt the driver at all. The moment
yeah,
you kill a driver, the job dies. So yeah, but I mean, having a PDB is a good idea, anyways. So yeah, makes sense to me. Okay. Anything else you guys want to talk about? All right then. I'll give you guys back time, and I will see you guys in a couple of weeks.
you
Cool.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. Guys.